The Manipur High Court has directed the speakers of the Manipur Assembly to adjudicate on a plea seeking disqualifications of 5 JD-U MLAs. The order was passed by the bench of Manipur High Court, led by Justice Sidham Ruduls and comprising Justice Golmai Gaipul Selu Kabui. The directive issues on a Monday orders the Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly to adjudicate on a petition seeking the disqualifications of the 5 Janata Dal United MLAs who has defected to join the BJP, the principal coalition partners in Manipur's ruling government. The JD-U's Manipur unit, which secured 6 seats in the last assembly elections, files fresh petitions urging the Speaker to disqualify these MLAs under anti-defection laws. Following the February to March 2022 elections, 5 JD-U's MLAs merged with the BJP legislative parties, bolstering the ruling government's strength to 37 in the 60 members Manipur's assembly. The Congress, the primary oppositions in Manipur, previously filed a disqualification petitions against these MLAs in September 2022. However, on December 13, 2023, the JD-U submitted a renewal petitions under constitutional provisions seeking disqualification based on their defections under the 10 schedules of the Indian constitutions. During the court proceedings, Lenin Hizams, Advocate Generals of the Manipur, cited relevant legal precedents, including a Supreme Court decision emphasizing the Speaker's obligation to address disqualification petitions. Maisnam Dorendro Singh, Secretary General of the JD-U, sought multiple reliefs through the petitions, including mandamus directing the Speaker to register and decide on the disqualification case expeditiously, referring at Supreme Court's orders mandating a time frame for such decision. The MLAs in the questions who joined the BJP include the Kumuk Chams, Joy Kisan Singh, Ngur Sanglur Sanet Ste, Achap Uddin's Thanjam Arun Kumar Singh and the L.M. Kaute.